What's the hardest part about making a product ad video that actually works? Either the generated video changes what your product looks like, so it's not even your real product anymore, or the camera movement and editing are a complete mess, making the whole thing look amateur. But at the same time, you probably don't have the time or budget to learn complicated filming and post-production workflows. Today, I'm going to share the most reliable method we've tested so far. In just 2 steps, using 2 specialized AI tools, you can turn a normal product image into a cinematic ad video that's ready to use. And the most important part is, you don't need to pre-visualize every single frame in your head. You only need a rough sense of the vibe you want, and the AI can fill in the professional details for you. Let's jump right in. The whole workflow is very simple, just 2 steps. Step 1, we use GPT Image 2. The goal is not to create a pretty image, but to create a storyboard. It tells the AI what each step in the video should shoot and how it should be shot. Step 2, we use Seedance 2. The goal is to turn that storyboard into a real moving video. Now we're going to run through both steps inside the LartAI platform. Step 1, open LartAI. Click Image Generate and select GPT Image 2. Set the aspect ratio to 3:2, set quality to high, and set output format to JPEG. Then upload the brand logo and product image. Next comes the prompt. There are several key design choices inside this prompt that ensure the result is not a chaotic random image, but an actually usable storyboard. First, define the total duration and structure. I tell it I want a 12-frame storyboard for a 15-second advertisement. This immediately sets the scope and makes the AI think in a professional storyboard format. Second, define the visual style. I specify a red and gold color palette and cinematic food photography. This determines the overall tone and texture of the ad. Third, define the storytelling sequence. This is the most important part. I wrote, from appetizer close-ups to dripping sauce to ingredient combinations, and finally the brand end card. I never described exactly what every frame should look like. I only gave it the storytelling sequence. That alone is enough. The AI can understand the sequence and fill in the appropriate visuals automatically. Finally, define the rules it must follow. I specifically emphasize that the logo can only appear in the final frame, and that the logo and product must strictly match the reference images I provided. Also remember to modify the brand name. This guarantees the branding is accurate and appears exactly where it should. Now look at this. This is the most impressive part. I never explicitly told it what camera lens to use for each shot or what sound effects to add. But GPT Image 2 automatically added sizzling sound effects to frying shots and labeled close-up shots as extreme close-ups. This shows that it's not just an image generator. By learning from massive amounts of videos and films, it understands the relationship between visuals, sound, and cinematography. It can act like an experienced assistant, helping turn vague ideas into professional shooting suggestions. That's why we say you don't need a perfectly clear image in your head. As long as you have a general direction, the AI can fill in the blanks. And what it fills in is exactly the professional knowledge many people lack. Step 2, using Seedance 2 to generate dynamic video. Once you have this detailed shot list, the second step becomes easy. In the same platform, go to Video Generation and select Seedance 2. In the History section, find the storyboard we just generated. Set duration to 15 seconds and resolution to 1080p. Most importantly, make sure to enable Generate Audio. Then enter the video prompt. Notice that the role of the prompt is different now. This time, it's giving direct shooting instructions to the AI cinematographer. The original dish must be fully preserved. This is a hard rule to prevent the AI from changing our product. Use ultra close-ups and premium slow motion combined with fast-paced editing. This defines the rhythm of the video, where to slow down and showcase texture, and where to speed up for impact. Use slow push, ins, and horizontal tracking shots. This is basically teaching the AI how to move the camera in a cinematic way. Vividly present steam and glossy sauce textures. This specifically tells the AI which details need motion. Now look at the result. The steam, flowing sauce, focus transitions. Seedance 2 strictly follows our storyboard and brings these static frames to life with excellent visual quality. The only issue is that the first frame is the storyboard itself. But you can easily remove that first frame using editing software. Other than that, this is almost perfect, and the success rate is extremely high. GPT Image 2 is responsible for planning what to shoot and why it should be shot that way. Seedance 2 is responsible for executing how to shoot it and how to make it look cinematic. These two tools work seamlessly together inside LartAI, forming a complete and reliable video production pipeline. So that's the complete workflow for creating a professional ad video, starting from just a single image. The biggest advantage is control. By planning the storyboard, you control the content. By using precise cinematography instructions, you control the quality. If you want to create cinematic videos with professional camera movement and visual effects like this, Seedance 2.0 is currently one of the best options available, and you can access everything directly inside LartAI. I've already organized the 2 key prompts used in this video. Follow me and comment, storyboard below, and I'll send them to you. You can use this exact method and prompt structure to create ad videos for your own products. I'm looking forward to seeing your work in the comments.